country people for Mogamo, for Batibo, for Mankon, for Witikum, for Meta, Nji, Jikwa, Esimbi, Lebielum, for any side where you come out, we throw away one salute. This time, Mogamo cultural heritage, it don't come with another fine news for Wuna. Say me wanna watch out. We panabo for today, it talks a waiting. Any man where it is shown with any woman in the name saying a friendship. If this woman woke up tell you say since that day, it never see a time. No say that woman it don't thief picking for your waist. Yes, that's all it did. We no go take una time too much. We will only advise any person where the watching station, they call them say Much TV, that is Mogamo Cultural Heritage Station. The man where they bring on this story, they call him Mogamo Cultural Ambassador. This will it go take una, we go visit the Mankong people, where they call them Mankong Cultural and Development Association, where the abbreviator say Makuda. This Makuda for number 13 day for this month where we pass where we dey inside so. Their president if he run work city tire, if he get to go down, give chair for another new president. For that occasion, I be cry for day. I be cry tears for happiness. I see how president where they go down, it be happy for big work where it do it give now for the new president say me you continue for day. And the president will be give over for the other one. His name now Mr. Atanga Joseph. Now he be the come out, he be the go down. And from Mankong, he be send big representative. His Royal Highness from Angwa for the third. He be send representative. They say me they come, put the president for down, put the new one for chair. And all the occasion it be work out fine. The new president where they put up a chair, where it be a name, according to how they give we na Ndenga Julius, where that he be take over the baton for the outgoing president, and he be promise people from Mankong, say the place with the old president, he keep him, he go take him again, go before Mankong people they be come out for this occasion plenty. They will come out for traditional attire. They will knock some dance for day. I hear from my back head. They call us Mbangalu. They knock someone, they say bottle dance. They knock kind dance for day. I be enjoy them. Say, now you are like me when I watch them. Me when I see them. For Mankong people, for any man where you watch them, when you watch for this station, if you never subscribe, click some button they show for you for that. Say subscribe, like them, share them for your forum them. Me and country people to me they watch them.
And finally to you, the entire Mankong community, I say thank you for your continuous sacrifice and support to Makuda. God bless you. Transition in the life of an association like ours is very important. It fosters the birth of new ideas, new dynamism, and can also help in pulling in members who have been pulling their legs for too long to join the dream. I should be proud to say Makuda welcomes change wholeheartedly and sees change of leadership as a cherished virtue, which permits everyone to bring his or her own building block to the edifice. My dear Makuda members, in the next 4 years, we will have the task of taking Makuda from where the outgoing team ended to the next level. We will continue with our building project, support development project, and strengthen our institution, especially our culture that is being eradicated at the speed of light. We have to rethink, innovate, act, and promote Mankong values. To attain this objective, we have to work hand in glove with the palace, cooperate with all Makuda branches home and abroad. We will also have to work with groups based here in Douala, Akono. Being the most powerful early group in the month of Fondon, Abembe also an early group, in Kanipui, Bomande group, in Kan, Mboma Usu, the Fomlifi, Bomabu, the Makoda Youth, and so many other groups in the pipeline. Remember, solidarity remains the only way to guarantee security for all. This is why our popular slogan in Mankon says, Mukonte Nkara. Looking closely into this new team, we will all realize that 90% is made up of youth and 10% elders as guides. This means that Makuda has given power to the youth. This is because in Mankon, we believe in gray hair wisdom to guide and the youth the strength to execute. And this also brings us to another slogan in Mankon and Bangalore and more. My dear elders, elites and youth, this new team is composed of experts well talented from different walks of life, thereby ensuring the success of this mandate you are giving to us today. We have nothing to fear because we know you are there to guide and support our actions. We look forward in the coming days to have all our hands on deck to take Makuda and the Mankon Fondon to the next level. To conclude, every administration has two paths ahead that you must choose one. That of rulership and that of leadership. I want to assure the General Assembly present here today that we are on the path of leadership. Leadership that represents service to the community, leadership that represents respect towards each another, leadership that represents dialogue, leadership that represents humility, and above all, leadership that is guided by the wisdom of God. Together, we triumph. Mukonte Nkara. Long live Makuda, long live Mankon Fondon, long live the Republic of Cameroon. God Almighty bless us all. Thank you. All right, Mama, Begin as you tell my name. Make them I need that. No woman. Bear of the no one there. Many family. Thank you. You find it out. I mean, any day more lazam over we need to know I don't go be. Maybe we back on my car. What's my friend about it? The more. I'm here careful, italics for me, and woke up finance desk. We Makuda and live jingle and for me, we can get from a basic product. There's the guitar, finance desk, moon cover, Shimamul is through the mind, won't come to one. Multimetala, where one put Kanye Emma Ato, won't cover me, covers in me. Villa and no social. There are the rings, Netinga make it a more patient. Home as I should have. The Botwa, Unity, the as on picture. But we can use a Nama Pose, Chairman Doctor, the waters, Nama position over the routine of the women know. The NSA. Magami ya I'm so grateful, I'm so honored, and I receive it wholeheartedly. I love my family so much. Thank you.
And that is on this special occasion, I want to say congratulations to my daddy and all the leaders. Leaders are called to save and not to be saved. I pray God will give you wisdom, knowledge, and humility in your service. Keep saving them and confront them with transparency and honesty. Keep shining and God alone will take all the glory. Like in the days of Moses, I give you the mantle of leadership. Be strong and courageous, because the one God is with you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you, my baby.
Thank you so much. I'm so proud of you.
At this moment in time, we are going to do a...
We want to present this flower to our mother on behalf of the entire family because she's really making us proud, and we are hoping that we are going to follow in her footsteps to make the Mancon community a better one here in Douala. Mama, congratulations, and we love you very much.
Thank you.
Mancon, we have seen the president has come out in another traditional regalia. After 8 years of service to the Mancon community in Douala, the Mancon community thought it wise to put a committee in place. This committee is called Gift Committee. These people sat down, thought of what good thing, good gift they can give to the old president on behalf of Mancon, just to say thank you, Mr. President. So this committee worked so hard, went to the traditional regalia shops, selected this one all the way from Bamenda, and we have decided to dress the president with it to say thank you, Mr. President, for all you've done to us, all you've done to the Mancon community in Douala. We don't have much to give you. It's a symbolic something. It is just a way of appreciating your effort. So, when we got this, we say you cannot put on a traditional regalia and sit again on a plastic chair. So we thought it wise to get this marvelous seat, traditional seat, to give to the president to say thank you, Mr. President. Accompanying the dress, the seat is a staff. This seat is just to let Mr. President sit down now and rest. When he rests, he takes the staff and continue his work, as he rightly said that he is there to advise the incoming team. Mukong Tenkara. Mr. President, Mr. Outgoing President, Daddy, on behalf of the Mancom community, we offer you this seat. We want the seat as you will be accompanied by Theatre and powerful Neba. I now hand him the staff on behalf of Makuda Douala branch as a symbol of strength. Immediately he gets rested, he takes up the baton and keep walking. Is that all?
Nous fondons une cuisine. Nous dit Alice. Nous sommes à faire. La maman fait un vieux bi. À gagner un bien. Mais nous sommes à ouvrir un doigt qui est de l'entendre. Atila, mmateti wu nze nu zamba ofana mwana mwana ngenze ngokutha nazo obeko mato ndonge bietege ko nganku tikane ka bebini mo be se bengo otha nazo Tentang aga agus ambonda mangko singa mbin zamba yin kwata mota tsane ur teacher bunda zamba sumen wama mazona ibenya ga no ti ba ma ba tazo be yin ko ni wara munda manko ko ta sibe be nga bu tinci ga na singa be mota ce yin da na kan ma bulon do onjuku ko onde benta man ko nga njala beti anjite man ko beti ndane kan chabonda man ko beti shide tindan te du no abe nga man ko se kui ne son la nga bu nya te tanga kui la che man zonge anyen business na ga me yambo mu ba ga nge abuna yenze ni ntinten no zeni nchanton zeni 20 nzende ga ndite mama kuda nzonyo tetana nzonyo tetana ayen ntama bu zeni zama fami yete bugi songa bugi lo ye ga hu zeni mo tetana zamba ashi ismi mila a traiter mu yewamba parlant lang tengeni nge mu kongmene bugi mu ga wa mbonge azo no manzon adiete ndo ye lenti ke ye ganti ke ye ga me ya ke ye tonti achi ni kunye kongo asilabe
floor is open for gifts. Just come up with your gifts and there will be no more speech making. Thank you. He has done for us in Douala for the past 8 years. It has not been easy, but we survived it. And he will say thank you.
Still together. Mawa tinga anuza manku hulsina. Anuza brinamiye akiti pute tanabe. Anuza brina forna dala kuyege danga metinga mobe mamoge dan uze timwa tilisina ze akinjinga mankuliwa talo mezo betishi bien betiki journa la majinga be mo sin journa la be mbom sala bengo sala la kumishimendi magana chembo manjene bum bang nchik ko be elite manko gabugna tiwa chembo ma waktu dengan fuza mama zedi zama gicinar fayin tito ba mama ti kwe mendaga la chega menda chetu la menda bonela ikwa titiga tinibi yetume dana bebune chembu mankun kwe bu magato ko ni yabo organization abo committee wa alornu fu ga waktu zinu ka fucheye bombo na gam jile nzonwe ni do na tine kemi bon kwefom zigna boma mi yago teta mi yago ni yago arambe te jishina.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, my brother.
Yes, can we get your identity?
Yes, I'm the mayor representative for Bamenda 2 Council. And a prince of Mancon, Mancon Palace.
So you are here in the double capacity?
Yeah, I'm actually in a double capacity, as you say.
Thank you for coming. Now that you have witnessed this event as it has unfolded on the podium, what remark do you have to tell us as concerning this historical event?
As you can see, the Mancon people are strong. They have a strong cultural heritage, and nothing can divide the Mancon people. And that's why you can see we have come out in unity, in strength, to showcase our culture. Mancon is a cultural hub for the Northwest region, for Mezam division, and for Bamenda 2 subdivision in particular. So, in fact, there's no gainsaying to defend the fact that the people are eager to celebrate their culture each time they come together. So as you can see, there's a lot of fanfare. People are happy because we have missed the celebration of our culture for a very long time now. Since the insurgence of the insecurity challenges in the Northwest region and in Bamenda 2 subdivision, where Mancon is a part in particular.
Thank you very much. Any greetings to any well wishers?
No. My way, I can only extend greetings to the Mancon folk back at home, that they should copy the example of what Douala is doing. They are setting the pace. And I think it is time we come back together to showcase and celebrate our culture and our unity and to defend the strength of the Mancon man. Thank you.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
You are welcome.
Madam, good evening.
Good evening.
Can we know you better?
I am Madam Melanie from Boya branch, Makuda Boya, President of GA, Boya branch.
Thank you very much. Now that you have witnessed the handing over to the new incoming executive of Mancon Cultural Development Station here in Douala branch, what remark do you have to tell us?
I think this is what we call culture. Teaching the young generation the right things to do. The palace left Mancon and came down to Douala, showing us the importance of our culture. I think what Makuda Douala, the Mancon community in Douala, they are doing is really, really wonderful. They are not just doing it in any way, they are making the population of Douala to know that Mancon remains Mancon and their culture, their tradition can never be tampered with.
Any word of greetings?
I wish to extend my greetings to the newly elected president, Mr. Ndega Julius, the Emeritus president who just leaving, Mr. Tanga Joseph, and I also greet. And I think, not forgetting our father of Mancon, His Royal Highness Farangwafo, the dead of Mancon. I think if we are strong today, it's because we have a strong leader and a strong father, which is a son of Mancon.
Thank you very much. Carry our greetings, Christmas and New Year wishes to your people back to Boya in Aba. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother.
Yes, televiewers, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. You are welcome to the running up of this program. Facing the camera is somebody who would like to get his full identity and know how he feels on this August occasion. Sir, you are welcome to the camera.
Thank you very much. My name is Mr. Tanga Joseph, the outgoing president of Makuda, Mancon Cultural and Development Association. So today I'm so delighted after a work well done, though I cannot appreciate myself, though with the support of my people, we have done our best, and today I was so delighted to hand over the baton to the incoming president, whom I trust so much.
Yes, can we know some of the challenges that you face in your reign?
During my reign as human, you will know people who like to bring their own agenda. They would like you to hear from them. But as a community, we have to put our heads together for the well-being of our community and to show a lot of discipline, transparency in governance.
Now that you are leaving the high office of Mancon people today, what secret of success do you have to leave to your predecessor?
I'm so proud. Humility, you listen to the elders, and transparency, so far as budgetary is concerned.
Any word or greetings for the Mancon people as they are watching you live?
My dear Mancon people, I urge you people to support the new team. It's a formidable team that I work with them. I know how far they can do, so I'm calling all my Manconians to rally before them, give them all the support, especially the elites, because we have done much, and much is still to be done. For His Royal Majesty, the Fount of Mancon, he was live, sent a powerful delegation to support and give a wonderful speech that will remain in our memories so far as developmental issues are concerned. As children from one area have to look back to the village, those were some of the advice that the fund sent to its representative, that we knew that the fund is still alive, and we really cherish the advice from the fund. And I continue to urge the elites of Mancon that we still have much to do, that they should rally their efforts behind this formidable team.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Well, it's a pleasure to be with us.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Yes, can we know you better?
I am called the Agande Julius.
Yes, you have just taken over the battle of command from the outgoing president. Can you let us know what is in your briefcase to the Mancon people?
Yes, the Agande Julius just took the battle right there, as you said, the newly elected president of Mancon. Yes, taking this office, I know it's very challenging, and the way forward is simple if you understand the people. Every administration has two paths ahead, the path of rulership and the path of leadership to choose. I have chosen the path of leadership. The part of leadership that represents service to the community, the part of leadership that represents dialogue, the part of leadership that represents humility, the part of leadership that depends on God's guidance, God's wisdom for resolutions.
Okay, now that you have opportunity to talk with us, any words to the well-wishers, those who are supporting this occasion in one way or the other?
Indeed, I actually appreciate everybody's effort, no matter how small it is, because I know you must have sacrificed something to be here today. We are grateful, I appreciate, and I pray that God will take every person back to their home safely.
Any word of greetings to the Mancon people?
Yes, I will start by sending our gratitude to the Fount of Mancon, His Royal Highness from above also. He sent a powerful delegation to us here to represent him with strong words of wisdom that will guide us, that will show us the way forward. We are happy and we wish him well, wish him good health and long life.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
You're welcome.